Hi everyone, we got ourselves a new bike to the floor, 2018 Road King in Twisted Cherry. Got some pretty nice features going on here. Get a chrome wheel up front, chrome front end, LED turn signals, windshield of course, because the Road King came standard with that. The nice fender extension down at the bottom, that's also chrome. We have intake, board covers. This will have a 6-speed transmission. 107 cubic inch motor. Does have heated grips as well. That was added. Cruise control. Got some S&S MK45s for the exhaust out back. Docking hardware, and then all LED out back as well. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.